Welcome to this series of compilations of tree work fails. Tree work often goes wrong. Sometimes people are stupid, unaware of the situation and risks, untrained, reckless, or just plain unlucky. Sometimes the tree itself fails. Whatever the reason, watch carefully and learn from it so you don't make the same mistakes or hire a professional. I hope this video will help raise awareness and therefore reduce accidents in this dangerous profession. If you are the original owner of a video and would like credit for it, please email me at info@primarygarden.nl.
Whoa! Steve! I got the whole thing on video! Cover your eyes from on the sawdust.
Yep. Yep.
Unreal. Holy shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa!
Crackhead. Crackhead freezer. There it is.
La verga. A la madre. ¡Ey! Mira. Con todo y
Tráelo, sigue fly.
No la chifles, no la chifles. La madre se está volviendo. Sí. Y el regreso.
Il va se rebâtir. Check ça bouge.
Oh, shit.
Here, and then now this is the last block on that fork from the other side. You could tell this is the very top going up. I could just climb up there and cut a couple blocks, but I'm hungry, I'm hot, I'm tired, I just want to get out. So I have them pull, using a pull rope, pull it over, and boom, smash the shed right there. So the lesson of the story here is really go slow, there is no rush, small pieces and safety's always first, super easy to prevent, but I was rushing and screwed it up.
Yeah. So I'm going to play it again in slow motion. Check this thing out. So as you can see, the top pushes it a certain direction, but as it springs backwards, the wood just completely fails and crumbles, and this thing comes back and just, you know, nails me right in the brim of my helmet and then onto my arms and legs. So no major injuries, thank God. So here, I'll show you Devin Warwick's point of view, who's a climber who's doing a tree by me. You can see here as I take it, it's a pretty long top, and it just taps that alder and that thing just comes right back at me. And I guess, you know, a lot of guys in the woods have this problem, especially when you're felling trees. Trees will kind of sneak out of the woods and come back and nail you. So, you know, in hindsight, and you'll see here, I take the top and I think all is well. I'm not looking at that alder at all. So it just comes out of nowhere. So going on in the future, I'm definitely going to be paying more attention to that sort of thing.
A lot more. Holy shit. Ooh. Fucking A, man.
Terry! 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 It's coming! It's coming! It's coming!
Holy.
Oh my god. Stop. Oh! Oh! Holy.
Oh!
Gonna go. Yeah, it's teetering. Wrong way.
That was exactly what I didn't want to happen.
Well, that's why you cut it the other way. You cut it to where, and I think I missed it.
Did you stop filming?
No.
Oh, okay.
I think I put the camera down though.
Thank God that was not his leg or hand.
That almost killed me.
Thanks for watching and be safe. See you next time.